So what I'm going to do right now is the Colonial knot. The stitch I love to use while working on my little ship. For this reason I love to use a wool thread, and I highly suggest you not to use a very long length. The thread is ready with a knot at the end, so I'm going to start going through the fabric this way. Then what I used to do for my Colonial knot is a little curve on the right side, in which I am going to insert my needle this way, and then I am going on with the thread, and I am doing something like an 8. You can now pull it gently, not too close.
Yeah, so I guess first thing is...
And then you go down with the needle again, close to the point where I came up. I pull the thread all the way through, and this is my Colonial knot. You can spin the thread around the needle as many times as you want to give more dimension to the knot. In this case I made a knot with just one spin of thread around it, but I can show you how to give a more three-dimensional effect with more spin of thread around the needle. So we always start with my curve on the right side. I put the needle in, and in this case I am going to spin the thread 2 or even 3 times around the needle. I pull it gently, and I insert the needle again where I came out. I keep on pulling gently, and here you can note the difference between one knot made with just one spin of thread around the needle and a knot made with 3 spins of thread around the needle. This is my Colonial knot.